Welcome back to Teslatino. Today I'm going to show you the new accessory that I got for the car. Let's talk about that in a second. So this is what happened. About a week ago, Tesla announced that the all-weather floor mats were going to be available on the site. So I immediately jumped in. Actually, I think it was one of my followers in Twitter that mentioned the floor mats were ready. So I went to the website, I made the order, and yesterday I received them. So now they are installed in the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go really quickly over, showing you what they look like once installed in the car. And please let me know what you think about the way they look. I personally think that they look, definitely it looks different. It looks different. They give a new look to the car. Now you can basically notice the shape of the floor of the car. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so this is basically what the new floor mats look like. All-weather mats. As you can see, there's a nice fit in the car. They do get markings if your feet are dirty, but you can wipe that off easily with a with a soft rag. Just wet the rag and clean it up a little bit. So that would be the driver's side, and then this is what the back compartment, the back seats look like, right? So as you can see, it's a nice fit. It covers the center. Let's go over this side of the car now. With a little bit less of the sun glare, and you can see now exactly how they fit. It's a very nice finish. They do look really nice. They keep the car, clear of any, major debris in terms of, getting the original floor dirty. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. You can see they have a nice fit all around, right? Let's go to the other side again, to the driver's side. So here you can see how it really fits around the dead pedal, and then right underneath the brake and the go pedal, right? All the way to the back there. Nice and tight fit, right, all around. Yeah, so that's it. There you have it. Those are the new all-weather floor mats. I hope you like it. I definitely think it's a good investment for the car to protect it. So if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to drop them here below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you want to get notifications, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell. And well, that's a loud train. Yeah, so anyway, subscribe, click the bell to get notifications. See you soon. Bye.